All right, strong bullish breakout and trend continuation in silver triggered today, putting it in a position to challenge the trend highs and likely exceed those highs. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for silver. So silver had a sharp sell-off. We could see on this lower high, initial high, secondary high, sharp sell-off, support found at this swing low here in early April. And the anchored VWAP level, the light blue, is from the, let me get the right one here. So from this swing low here, this interim swing low. And then there's a sharp rally off that, hitting resistance here, pulling back, minor pullback to only a 38.2% retracement, consolidated for some time around that area, also around an earlier uptrend line support. And then recently, and so then there was a breakout here on May 21st of this consolidation, and then it consolidated again above support roughly of this previous resistance line, also the 20 and 50 moving averages that are also marking support around the same time in the same price area. And so we have a clear bullish decisive breakout that also triggered a continuation, or I should say a reclaim of this high right here, and a likely close today. We're not closed yet, but getting close, probably above this high here at 34.59, further confirming strength of this rally and putting silver in a position to potentially break out above this prior trend high of 34.87 and head towards this initial ABCD target at 37.05. There's some other initial targets in there, as you can see, which we'll talk about in the future. But for now, that is the underlying progression of what's happening at silver. It is bullish, and it looks like it could keep going pretty sharply, not giving investors a lot of chance to jump in unless they're aggressive. All right, keep that in mind and have a great week.